Hello students, how are you? I hope you are doing good बच्चों. So today we are going to start new chapter which is related to verbs बच्चों. So let's get started with definitions के साथ start करते हैं बच्चों. The verbs is a word or group of words that shows what someone or something does or what that someone or something is in. तो verbs ऐसे words होते हैं, group of words होते हैं बच्चों जो show करते हैं कि someone something does, कि कोई क्या करता है, ऐसे actions को बताने के लिए करते हैं कि कोई क्या कर रहा है उस situation में. In short, a verb indicates an action, an event और state को बताता है. Then इसी बेस पर दी गई exercise बच्चों, इसको भी साथ में complete करेंगे. Then पढ़ते हैं बच्चों kinds of verbs के बारे में. There are 3 kinds of verb, जिसमें a verb which takes an object is a transitive verb बच्चों. ऐसी verb बच्चों जिसमें ऐसे सेंटेंस आप बोल सकते हो जिसमें ऑब्जेक्ट की नीड होती है, ऐसी वर्ब्स को हम बोलते हैं ट्रांजिटिव वर्ब. एग्जांपल, माय सिस्टर पोस्टेड अ लेटर लास्ट वीक. बर्ड्स बिल्ड नेस्ट. अ वर्ब विद नो ऑब्जेक्ट इज एन इंट्रांजिटिव वर्ब. इंट्रांजिटिव वर्ब में ऑब्जेक्ट की नीड नहीं होती बच्चों. एग्जांपल, द बेबी क्राइड, ही प्लेड. ऑक्सिलरी, इट हैज द मेन वर्ब्स टू फॉर्म अ टेंसेस. देयर आर द 2 काइंड्स. ये हमेशा बच्चों टेंसेस में यूज की जाती है. ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब जिसमें प्राइमरी ऑक्सिलरीज हैं बी, डू, हैव एंड देयर वेरियस फॉर्म्स. Be, is, am, are, was, were, do, does, did, have, has, had. एंड मॉडल ऑक्सिलरीज में है बच्चों कैन, कुड, शैल, शुड, विल, वुड, मे, माइट, मस्ट, डेयर, नीड, ऑट टू एंड यूज्ड टू. देन बच्चों इसी बेस पर दी गई है एक्सरसाइज, वो भी साथ में कंप्लीट करते रहेंगे. नेक्स्ट है बच्चों द करेक्ट यूज ऑफ वर्ब्स की हम देखेंगे. करेक्ट यूज ऑफ वर्ब्स होता क्या है कि कहाँ पर एग्जैक्टली हम वर्ब्स का यूज कर सकते हैं. फर्स्ट पॉइंट में दिया गया है वी कैन यूज 2 ऑक्सिलरीज हेल्पिंग वर्ब्स विद 1 मेन वर्ब्स only if the main verbs agrees with both the auxiliaries. Example, I never have and never will kill a bird. This is a wrong sentence बच्चों. I never have killed and never will kill a bird. This is the right बच्चों. या wrong आप find out करेंगे. Then I never have and never will hurt a bird. Wrong. I never have hurt and never will hurt a bird. No mother can or ever will kill her own child. We can use one auxiliary helping verb with 2 different main verbs if the second auxiliary would be the same as the first. जिसमें example है 10 students have passed and 6 failed. This is the wrong. 10 students have passed and 6 have failed. तो ये बताएंगे बच्चों खुद से. 10 students have passed and 1 failed. This is the wrong. 10 students have passed and 1 has failed. A phrase that begins with the ing form of a verb is called the participle phrase, such as a phrase must be a proper agreement with the noun or pronoun that it qualifies. Then example देख लेते हैं बच्चों. Sitting at the gate, a scorpion stung him. Sitting at the gate, he was stung by a scorpion. Or while he was sitting at the gate, a scorpion stung him. Being a rainy day, I did go out. It being a rainy day, I didn't go out. Students should be very careful in the use of following verbs as they may often be confused. बच्चों जिसमें देख लेते हैं आप confused होते हो ऐसी words और sentences के साथ. Like first है बच्चों lie, lay, lane, transit, intransitive verbs में इनको रखा जाता है. Like she laid down to have some rest. She laid down to have some rest. I want to lay down on the green grass. I want to lie down on the green grass. Then बच्चों lay, laid, laid जो है transitive verb बच्चों. The hen has laid no eggs today. The hen has laid no eggs today. She laid the baby on the bed. She laid the baby on the bed. Hang, hanged, hanged. The prisoner was hanged. The prisoner was hanged. Then hang, hung, hung. She hung the clothes on the line to dry. The hung the clothes on the line to dry. Raise, raised, raised. He rose the baby above his shoulders. He raised the baby about his shoulders. And overflow, overflowed, overflowed. The river has overflown its banks. The river has overflowed its banks. Bear, bore, borne. I have borne this responsibility for a long time. I have borne this responsibility for a long time. Common mistakes in the use of verbs बच्चों. Enjoy के लिए enjoy must be followed by an object. Example देख लेते हैं. We went for a picnic and enjoyed very much. Then this is the wrong बच्चों. We enjoys good health. We enjoyed our picnic yesterday. We went for a picnic and enjoyed ourselves very much. We went for a picnic and enjoyed it very much. Hope means to expect something good. Example, I hope she will fail. I fear she will fail. I hope she won't get better. I hope she will be better soon. Expect के लिए बच्चों expect means to think that something good or bad may happen. Example, I expect we shall succeed at last. We expect prices will not come down. देन लुक एट के लिए बच्चों, लुक एट implies attention, see doesn't imply attention. Example, please see at the blackboard. Please look at the blackboard. I saw a book on the table. Listen to implies attention, hear doesn't imply attention. Example, I can listen to his voice, I can hear his voice. You should hear what the teacher says, you should listen to what the teacher says. Then we say our prayers, not speak our prayers. Example दिए गए हैं बच्चों, I speak my prayers daily, I say my prayers daily. Then we don't say make a goal, we say score a goal. Example, they made a goal, they scored a goal is the correct one. We deliver, make or give a speech. He said a speech, he delivered a speech is the correct. He made a speech. Next बच्चों, we never use pain in the continuous or progressive form. My tooth is paining, my tooth is aching is the correct sentence बच्चों. इन्हीं बेस पर दी गई है बच्चों एक्सरसाइज भी. चैप्टर इन पर फिनिश होता है. चैप्टर को पढ़ेंगे, रीड आउट करेंगे और प्रॉपर तरीके से बच्चों सेंटेंस को फाइंड आउट करेंगे कि किस तरह से वो करेक्ट है और कहाँ पर वो रॉन्ग है, किस रीजन की वजह से वो रॉन्ग है, यहाँ पर सब मेंशन किया गया है चैप्टर के अंदर. तो डोंट फॉरगेट टू कंप्लीट द एक्सरसाइज बच्चों विच इज रिलेटेड टू दिस चैप्टर.